Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix high latency in Arc Raiders using a few simple steps. First, switch to a wired internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, you may experience unstable speeds and higher latency. Plug an Ethernet cable directly from your router into your PC or console. A wired connection is more stable and reduces lag during gameplay. Next, change your DNS settings. This can improve how quickly your system connects to game servers. Go to your network settings and find the option to manually set DNS. Enter 8.8.8.8 as the primary DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the secondary DNS. These are public DNS servers that are often faster and more reliable. Now, adjust your graphics settings. Turn off VSync in the game settings. VSync can add input delay, which makes your actions feel slower. Disabling it can reduce latency. If your system supports it, turn on G-Sync or FreeSync instead. These technologies help keep visuals smooth without adding delay. Also, close any background applications that use the internet. Downloads, streaming apps, or browsers can take up bandwidth and increase latency. Make sure only the game is using your connection. Finally, restart your router if you still face issues. This can refresh your connection and fix temporary network problems. Thanks for watching.